my name is Andi Bühler. This is the drum code Swing 5. Today the aim is to get total freedom while playing the swing pattern and playing 8 notes in any combinations of the snare and the bass drum. So the idea is that you're able to do that, to express yourself musically with stuff like this. With all the swing lessons that you already did, we are only missing one part. The one part is we have to play like syncopated bass drums and double strokes with the bass drums. And this stuff singles going on between the snare and the bass drum, like this. Ora. All right, so now the concept is we're starting with a white spot. When you have a white spot, you play 2 eighth notes on one instrument. So actually you're playing double strokes. But always change the instruments after one spot. So white, 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 white. All right, so that's always like when you played doubles on the snare, the next white spot is going to be on the bass drum. Or the other way around, starting with the bass drum. So that's the white spot. And the black spot is always 2 single strokes. So again, 8 notes, but single strokes. So different instruments. So one black spot is one and, or the other way around. Black, 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 black. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Or the other way. See number 1. You have black spot, single strokes. Then you have white spots, 3 white spots as double strokes. So again, black, white, white, white. That's one time. So you end it with a snare drum. So when you now repeat it, when now it's again black, white, 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 you start with the bass drum. So it's like this. Whole line. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So never play 3 strokes with the same instrument. Maximum double stroke, and then it changes to the other instrument. So let's hear the first 5 numbers of 16 combinations. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Of course, you can play it faster or slower. It's all about this flow between snare and bass drum and the flow of the right pattern, of the swing pattern. So this is the most important thing. The swing pattern has to go on and keep the band together. Whatever you do with snare and bass drum, that's the most important thing is the ride and the hi-hat for in that case. For that stuff, I really recommend to play the whole reading book. Just play the whole reading book. I mean, you don't have to do it at once, but play it all. Because then you get really used to this motion. And after that, you're free to express yourself and to play what comes to your mind. I mean, you don't play like number 17 when you play with a band. Maybe you play it, but not because you said so before you start the song. So this is just a thing to bring you maximum freedom technically wise. All right. So have fun with it. Oh, before I forget, you can play the whole stuff with the 3-spot section jazz waltz. Sure. You know how to do that. Have fun. Bye-bye.